remote control, Raspberry Pi with a head and LCD, motor controller, the motor in a casing. It is all connected to 12 volts here. Now it is in standby mode. Now it's auto. So, for example, I rotate this and the motor will rotate accordingly. Okay. Now I press 1 again. It is in standby mode. Now I can use buttons 3 to move it to port 1 degree, 4, button 4 to move it starboard 1 degree, one more time, port, starboard, or if I press 5 and 6, it will be 10 degrees. So 5 now degrees, one more time, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, I press button 5, and 10 degrees in the other direction. One more time, I press 5 and 6. It is in standby mode now. Again, I can press 2 to engage autopilot.